Good morning. Listen, this is Grow Ghana Farm YouTube page and social media pages. Me and the guys are out here, been out here for a while, just doing trying to put a fence around this land to stop people from going through our land. It's been okay. You understand? It's been okay. To do the amount of space that we need to do, this is going to be a couple of months worth of work. You understand? Good couple of months worth of work, but my guys are on it. Like I said, it takes a team to do this. Listen, this is Grow Ghana Farm YouTube page.
Subscribe, like, and share.